Hey guys! Welcome to another beautiful day. After 2 weeks of non-stop raining, we can finally enjoy the beach with the sunshine. Plus, today is Judah Benjamin's birthday celebration as well. It's been 5 wonderful years with our boy and I'm so blessed to be his mommy. One of the many advantages of living in the province is that the beach is literally just a few steps away. You can decide to go anytime, bask in the warmth of the sun, get some serious tan lines, have a good laugh with some good company, and have the same kind of experience without spending too much. After all, you don't need to spend too much in order to enjoy and have fun, right? Here's a little tour of the small and simple cottage that we rented out for the whole family. The goal today is to have fun with my family, bond with each other, and make the most of the time that we have. Thank God for the gift of nature. The touch of the wind in your skin feels so calming. The water is so relaxing, and overall, it's very, very peaceful. It was indeed a perfect day to unwind. Look how beautiful and glorious the view is. Isn't it amazing? Sun is out. There's Judah and Daddy. Although it was a bit raining that day, but thank God the sun came out and gave us a good weather. Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Hi Dai!
Welcome to my guys.
Yes!
We are live today.
Ano ba? Liam!
I'm watching from my iPhone 14, not yet paid.
Fully paid. Hi Marcus!
Mommy, where are you going?
Ayok na lang dito sa mga video ko.
Judah! Ano ba yan? Mamaya i-video mo. Ano niya, magpapavideo kami nito. Doon suluweta mo ako. Oh no. But what is a good day without good food? Today we grilled some fish, pork, and hot dogs. The perfect beachside menu, indeed. Hindi ka na nilalamig, ha? Wala na? Patingin ako ng mouth mo. Tingin mo, oy, And my nanay cooked pansit and ginataang cassava. And boy, are they the bomb. Arya, Arya, sabi mo, Arya, look, mommy. Ano, Ate Cholel? Hi, Kuya! Judah, what are you doing? Snowballs? It's not a snow. Sandballs? Oh, that's how you make the sandball. Then, hey, it's over here. Smile. What are you doing? Sige, higa. Are you comfy? Do that. Look. Whenever you feel like life is too much to bear, it's okay to pause, to step back a bit, look away, look at life from a bird's eye view. See the whole picture again to gain a different perspective. That way, you will be able to make important decisions in life with a sound mind and face challenges with a renewed strength. I am truly grateful that I got to spend the holiday season with my family, and even better, spend every waking day with them. It's absolutely the candid moments like this that I want to capture on lens and be reminded to treasure the simple things that gives us so much joy. Appreciating what you already have and being grateful for just being together is already a blessing in itself. Judah, are you enjoying? Wow! Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Wow! Ang galing-galing naman ni Kuya! Are you scared? Are you scared? Okay lang yan. Hello, Daddy. Back up na! Marga, let's go! Nandyan na yung storm! Bakit? He's back up now. He doesn't wanna go home. Balik na lang tayo next week. Go to the biggest cutest baby shark ever. Let's go na, let's go. Did you enjoy? Mga nog-nog na mga bata. Ato kan ate. Arya, say mommy. Mommy. Say mommy. 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 Again. Oh, again. Mommy. First time. Say mommy. Mommy. Again. mommy, kiss mommy. Gano, paano? Arya. Kiss mommy. Arya, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. 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 And for sure, this day would have been so much happier had you been with us, our dear tatay. We thought of you all the time and wish that you were here with us. But I definitely know that you're shining down on us from heaven. We love you so much and we miss you a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!